Welcome back to Creative Casa. If you are looking to add a touch of elegance and functionality to your living room, you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore a wide range of stunning wall clock ideas that can transform your living space into a cozy and stylish haven. Whether you prefer a modern, rustic, or traditional aesthetics, we have got something for everyone. So let's dive right in and discover the perfect wall clock for your living room. Before we jump into the various wall clock ideas, let's talk about why a wall clock is an essential addition to your living room decor. Not only do they help you keep track of time, but they also serve as captivating focal points that tie the room's design together. For those who appreciate clean lines and simplicity, a minimalistic wall clock can be the perfect choice. Its design seamlessly blends with any decor style, creating a sense of timeless elegance. For a more avant garde look, opt for a modern wall clock. These statement pieces not only tell time but also serve as captivating art installations, elevating your living room aesthetics. Give your living room a touch of vintage charm with a antique style wall clock. These timepieces transport you to a bygone era, adding a touch of history and sophistication to your space. If you are into the industrial look, a metal wall clock with exposed gears and a rugged finish can be a perfect fit. For a dramatic impact, consider an oversized wall clock. These commanding timepieces become the focal point of any room, making a bold style statement. Handcraft and artistic wall clocks not only tell time but also tell a story. These unique pieces become conversation starters and reflect your creative personality. A wall clock is more than just a timepiece, it's a piece of your personality embedded in your living room decor. Remember to consider your living room's existing color scheme, style, and size when choosing the perfect wall clock. It sparks wanderlust and serves as a reminder of your adventures and aspirations. A wall clock is more than just a timepiece. It's a piece of your personality embedded in your living room decor. Remember to consider your living room's existing color scheme, style, and size when choosing the perfect wall clock. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Creative Casa. Thanks for watching.